Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about very stupid shit. From Kotaku. Yeah. Overwatch 2 phone requirement. It's like being punished for being poor. You know, you're in deep fucking trouble, Blizzard. When even goddamn fucking Kotaku, one of your biggest goddamn retarded simps, criticizes you. You know, you're in deep trouble when that happens. Sorry, allergies. Right, to summarize the retardedness of the article, Blizzard FPS should be free to play, but it keeps propping up barriers. As in, Blizzard decided to implement a plan or something to stop unwanted people from playing their game. And that idea was to use the phone number. Okie dokie. That's great. Imagine you, a poor person, doesn't have a phone number, but psst, doesn't matter, since most players who plays Overwatch are Democrats and they are filthy rich, so who cares? But on the off chance you're still Democrat and you're still poor, you know, those rare people, or whose parents cut them off because they decided to demonize the family, who have seen many of those cases, you're pretty much fucked. And you can play the latest garbage that came out of Blizzard, which practically almost every single character in there is either part of the alphabet or a goddamn fucking virtual signaling character. One of either of those things. And they decided to then do the next best thing. Ban prepaid phone carriers or prepaid plans. Whoa, that's wonderful, isn't it? So now, you took down the other part of the Democrats who actually still have a very large quantity of money, but still prefer to use prepaid. And now you're really pissed off the woke tards. Hey, I'm pissed off too, but since I kind of stopped playing or using retarded... Let's see, can it be seen here? No, it can't. Oh well. Now, since I stopped playing Blizzard games in years, there's a box somewhere around here. There was. Ah, there it is. But it's right around here, but you can't see it. It's the last Blizzard game I ever bought, called World of Warcraft Cataclysm. Since then, technically, the game started to go downhill then, but I thought, hey, it's Blizzard, maybe they'll fix the game, maybe it's gonna be good or something in thereabouts. So I purchased Cataclysm. Imagine my shock when I found out that the game just kept getting worse. And since then, never touched a single Blizzard game ever again. Oh, maybe there was once where I got, what, a month free to get back at World of Warcraft, and I played for like a couple of days and gave up. Something thereabouts around years ago. See, people are just not caring about Blizzard anymore. And there are people, many people here who are complaining about it. There were multiple posts, there were multiple people and multiple articles. I'm even surprised about Kotaku. But eventually it had an effect. You know, because if anyone remembers, here it is, Polygon. If anyone remembers the Diablo Immortal spoken rules on Blizzard at BlizzCon, well, this one is a bit old, but scrolling down, there you go. Do you guys not have phones? Blizzard developer Wyatt Cheng said in response. Not only did he misread the room without question, he missed the point. Remember Diablo Immortal? That it was phone only, and Blizzard still thought, hey guys, don't you have phones? Hey guys, don't you have the monthly paid phones? God damn it, people, how do you expect
to work on playing games like this if you don't have it.
Well, in other words, the Ouroboros strikes. They're starting to eat their own. They're eating their own tail. And quite frankly, when Blizzard disappears, I don't think I'm going to miss them, because I already shed my tears on Blizzard when they started to go bad. I already mourned them back then. Now, not so much. Right, so this is the update. Update October 5. We designed Overwatch 2 to be a live service, which enables us to be responsive to a variety of player feedback. Bullshit. We just want money. We have made the decision to remove phone number requirements for a majority of existing Overwatch players. Oh, wonderful, isn't it? A new Overwatch player with a connected Battle.net account, which includes all players who have played since June 9th, 2021, will not have to provide a phone number to play. Oh, that's wonderful. We are working to make this change and expect it to go live on Friday, October 7th. We will update players once it is in effect. And what about those players who don't? We remain committed to combating disruptive behavior in Overwatch 2. You're gonna notice the certain word here, disruptive. You will think, maybe by now they mean actually cheaters and things like that. Sure, but they are actually adding another type of people on the same category as cheaters. People who say naughty things online. People who let out and blurt insults or trying to demean another person online or say things that are no on the current day and age. Those people are also disruptive, and they're you know? Right. Where was I? Oh, accounts that were not connected to Battle.net as well as new accounts will still have to meet the SMS Protect requirements, which helps to ensure that we're protecting our community against cheating. If a player is caught engaged in disruptive behavior, their account may be banned whether they have a new account or not. Right, let's jump into shit on a pickles. Right, SMS Protect. Similarly, if a disruptive player has been suspended or banned, SMS Protect makes it more difficult for them to return to the game. Yeah, sure, good idea, but the problem is, what if the person, a legitimate player, cannot even get to the game? Well, the garbage that you released, which apparently is even more of a grind than the previous one. Right, system design. Moving on. Audio transcriptions allows us to collect a temporary voice chat recording of a reported player and automatically transcribes it through speech-to-text programs. Oh, that's wonderful! Those programs never fail! Look at my accent! Sometimes the computer doesn't even understand me! Or other people are listening to me, or sometimes I don't understand myself either. And you expect that the program will actually do that better that you develop after what we saw that you people are just hiring diversity hires? You're just asking for trouble. Right. Let's continue this garbage. Once the audio recording has been transcribed to text, for the love of God, it's quickly deleted, as the file's sole purpose is to identify potentially disruptive behavior. Oh, that's wonderful, so you can't even appeal that the program misinterpreted what you goddamn fucking said! You go and say, hey, I didn't say that on the audio, and then the support technician or the diversity hire that's probably somewhere in India goes on and writes, no! You actually said this naughty word. The program did not lie. You're still banned. Well, fuck me. How are you going to actually appeal and make somebody listen to the goddamn fucking audio if it's gone? Good fucking Lord. Blizzard, I thought you idiots were sucky at fucking everything. But the more I read about you idiots, the more I think you idiots are a goddamn fucking virtual signaling company that is worth nothing! Right. Let's continue this shitty thing. The text file is then deleted no later than 30 days after the audio transcription. Well, that's wonderful! That's a very wonderful, isn't it? But here it is the interesting thing you keep seeing. Prevent disruptive behavior, which includes cheating and disruptive text chat. Oh, disruptive text chat. Oh, you mean if you are trying to have a certain banter or a banter, or trying to tell the other person who is sucking at your team to stop sucking and get good, you get this treatment. This is why I'm saying, when Blizzard goes under, I will not be crying. I will be celebrating. I will be opening a bottle of wine and drinking and celebrating. I was going to say something more interesting, but then I remembered I'm on YouTube and I cannot say it. No, because fuck censorship. On that goddamn fucking hell, have a great fucking night, and fuck you, Blizzard.